Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. Hope you're well. So we are at a point now where we can go. We've got a playable game. It's kind of playable. We've got an enemy that's constantly coming across the screen. Our screen moves. It looks realistic. We can move our character around. We can shoot things. We've got effects. We've got sound effects. But we can't do anything. We can't destroy these at all. So we've got to go and fix things in a minute. So you'll notice also that if my character stays on the enemy, again, instant game over, even though I have 2 hearts. So we have to tell the game to do something so that when we are playing the game, it doesn't do this all the time. So it's going to stop this and come out of full screen. We have to change this. So we're going to change my life by -1. I can have this in a different order, but I need to go and destroy the other sprite. Okay. So I go to my sprite and I just roll down. I need to find the word destroy. So here's my destroy in the effects section. So I'm going to destroy my sprite. I'm going to do it like that. But my sprite doesn't actually work. You see, we get the black triangle again because we've told it we need to make it logical. We need to have names for things, proper names for things. But in this case, on sprite kind of play, when it overlaps the other sprite of an enemy, we need to go and say destroy this other sprite, and we can pick this up. Look, we can move this thing around. It's all and look, it's looking for that spot again. You can see, look, he's got the elastic that's going to stick to him. So we want to destroy the other sprite. And if we go and make it a better effect, we don't want it for half a second, that's too long. 200ths of a second is fine. And we want a good effect. What should we have? What should we have? Ashes? Yes. We could have disintegrate. Should we have disintegrate? That sounds pretty good. It's going to disintegrate and then change the life by 1. If I go full screen here and I go and change my game, let's see what happens now. So I'm going to shoot this. Yes. Can you see how it destroys? Game over. I don't have any points at the moment, but you can see that it is totally destroying my Pioneers ships, which is great, but I need to be able to go and shoot them, really. So we're going to go and make sure that our game is actually playable. What I want you to do, though, is inside here, I want you to go and get a good sound effect to go with it as well. So just under here, we want a good sound effect in there as well, like we did before. As always, kids, good luck.